everyone, my name is Anjali from Exhibition Showcase. Today I am here at Automation Expo, which is happening only on Bombay Exhibition Center. So this is the 17th India International Trade Show, which is happening from 21st of August to 24th of August. So get on out to the AI and robotics machineries all over the world, and do subscribe to our channel to be updated. Everyone, today I am here at Automation and we are having a conversation with Jyoti Joseph ma'am. So how does it feels ma'am over here?
Feels good like usual.
So what is the footfall today we see here?
The aisles are packed, the stalls are packed, and the registrations are very quick. So we have made sure that there are no long lines in the registration. So the crowds are all inside the stalls, and I think it's a good footfall today.
So as we see, there are many exhibitors. So I would like to know that what are the exhibitor participants who are here being a part?
We have more than 575 exhibitor stalls. So, and more than 1,000 companies, because in some of the companies there are more than 2-3 companies that are exhibiting together as distributors and integrators. And as I said, 575 plus stalls that are there. We are talking about the process automation, the factory automation, robotics, instrumentation. So these are the core things that are needed for any industrial, for any industry. And as we go towards a digital India, empowering India, or more of Viksit Bharat, automation plays a very important role. And that's where a platform like Automation Expo 2024 is here to showcase what technologies are available for the industry to upgrade their current systems.
So also, what are the plannings for the future event upcoming?
So we launched our regional expo also, that was last year in 2023, and 2024 we did a couple of roadshows. And next year again we are in Chennai back, and in the month of March at the Chennai Trade Center. We also will have the expo in Mumbai in hall number 2, 3 and 6. And of course we have other events, and we are yet to reveal our forthcoming plans, because as soon as this event is over, then our next schedule of events will be up.
So any message you would like to say to your audience, to your all of the exhibitors and visitors?
You don't have to go very far to see technology. Technology is here at the Automation Expo. Be here, learn, visit, upgrade and network.
Thank you so much ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
Hello, my name is Bhushan Lilare. I am working here in Pepperl and Fuchs Factory Automation as Senior Sales Manager, and here from Factory Automation portfolio we are displaying sensors, identification systems, measurement systems and vision inspection systems. Yes, in Automation Expo is quite good. This year the footfall is better as compared to that of last year, and we are expecting more business, more visitors. It is good for us, branding purpose.
So you have been participant since how long with Automation?
Almost 12 to 13 years we have been participating in it. Thumbs up for Automation.
Hello, I am Hemal, and I'm the Vice President for Marketing, working for a company, Anderson Hauser. We are a Swiss-German multinational, and we are experts in field instrumentation. You see, we are basically providing instrumentation for the process industry, and we have been here part of automation for the last 10 years. I think every year we been seeing this exhibition growing, and we hope to see a lot of our customers here and showcase our latest innovations. Thumbs up to automation.